Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you how to short your position at the right time. Although this video is the same as the as you long your position at the right time, so I will be sure these tips are the same. You can apply in both of them. So let's get started. As you can see here, I've showed to you that whenever the you've got to use your indicators for this purpose. Relating to the indicators, no matter what indicators you use, it's up to them. Use whatever you are comfortable with. I use the parabolic SAR uh, right here, the moving average and the RSI. Yes, now it's oh. Now as you can see here, I've showed to you previously that whenever the stocks drop and it goes back up, buy at these two levels. Also keep an eye on the indicators as well of how they are doing, so you can uh, take a hint from it, take a clue from it, so that what will be the overall direction of the market in the near future. So regarding that, you can, the same principle can be applied to whenever the stock is turning into a downtrend. Now you can see here, it's you can see this candlestick, it is at its highest high, and you can see that uh, it was at its highest high, but suddenly it became bearish, a strong bearish one, again a strong bearish one. So you'll have to look for candlesticks like these, strong candlesticks like these, that shows strong bearishness at the top of the bullish trend and uptrend. Those two candlesticks indicate that the market will change its course and will turn into a downtrend. The same can be applied for a bullish market as well. You can see in this case the case is different, but when the market change its course, you can see that suddenly one, two, and three bullish candlesticks appeared. After that, the market went upward, although it took time, but it went upward. Now you can see at these levels here, strong bullish candlesticks, it pushed the market upward. Now whenever you see strong bearish candles like this, you can see here a lot of bearish candles. This will push the market, this push the market downward. And whenever you see at the top of an uptrend, whenever you see whenever a strong bearish candlestick occurs, one or two, which, as you can see, which open above and close below the previous day's close, again the same thing, open above and close below the previous day lows. This means that the market will is now trending in a downward direction, so you can short your position here. And as you reach at this level, uh, right here, you also have to, you can see that this is also a strong resistance level, sorry, resistance level for this area, but let me make it clearer. You can see that it is a strong resistance level for this area, but it is also a strong support support level for the price of these areas. Now you can see that it touched the price at 1, 2, and 3. Whenever the trend starts to come, starts change its course and start to trend in a downward direction, always search for the nearest, like here, support level. If it broke that one, go down. Maybe in the history, search in the history, search in the near past. But as you can see here, this was right here, the two candlesticks. So this is a great level, because you can see it touched at 1, 2, and 3 point. Now I want to show you one more thing, I want to tell you one more thing. I've purchased this stock at right here. Never do this mistake what I've did. I've purchased this stock in the middle of the trend. You can see now it is trading in a side trend. it dropped once, I again went up, again dropped, and now it's again it will rise. Now my assumption here is that I haven't sold out these stocks because I think I assume that these stocks as soon as the current situation becomes normal, it will rise and will give me a decent amount of profit. So now I'm still holding to these stocks and I'm not selling out these. Maybe I will be looking to sell out these in the near future. So for the time being, they are now I'm holding them up. Now as you can see here, it touched at three different levels again. I haven't sold out because I know that the price will go back to its to the price that I've purchased them. So as they dropped again, they went up, again dropped, and now they are trending right now. Now if you take a look at a side trend, you can see that there is no clear cut pattern of where the overall market is heading. As I've showed to you in the previous one, that the mistakes I've made. Now if you ever wanted to purchase short your position, short at its highest point right here, you can see always take a look at the RSI. Always take a look at the RSI and find two different levels. Find your own overbought and oversold areas and then trade according to that. Whenever the whenever the stock reach to its overbought area, which matches with the previous data, short your position there, and as it came down, close your position. Now when you short at the highest level, make sure to do your risk management properly, and it should be no more than 2%. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.